Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about Truecaller's Live Caller ID in iPhone and how to use it. So let's get started. So basically guys, Truecaller Live Caller ID is a feature that provides real-time information about incoming calls, including the name and details of the caller, even if the number is not saved in your contacts. So basically guys, open the Telegram app on your mobile device, and now all you have to do is go to the protect option available in the bottom. After you tap on the protect option, you will be navigated to the live caller ID. You can see there is a live caller ID option available. When you tap on it, it's on the premium version. So basically guys, you can see this feature live caller ID is part of the premium version of the app, so you need to subscribe the Truecaller premium to access it. So basically guys, after you subscribe it, you will be given permission to use it. So you can see there is two options available for the subscription. You can choose it according to your personal preferences. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.